So this is the Combi KMA 135. This is from the battery range and fits the AP batteries. This Combi has all the attachments that are applicable and can fit the petrol range, can also fit this battery range as well. AP 500S battery fits into the Combi 135, easy to fit in. Click it and that's it in place, ready to work. All Combi kits have all the different tools. So you get this tool here. So all the Combis, the KMA 135 can have this strimmer, straight shaft strimmer on it with a bump head with the 2.4mm strimmer cord on it, and also an extended head trimmer which also can rotate round and do the tops of your hedges as well. Plus many other tools. So the Combi 135 engine has many of the attachments and is available here at Fraser Robb's.